How many tabs do you have open in your brain right now? The email you need to reply to, the book recommendation you shouldn't forget, the grocery list, the brilliant idea you had in the shower. Your brain is trying to hold on to all of this, and it is exhausting. This is called open-loop anxiety. Your brain creates stress as a reminder system. It keeps pestering you so you don't forget. But there is a better way. Your brain is for having ideas, not for holding them. You need a second brain. A second brain is simply a trusted external system, an app like Notion, Obsidian, or even Apple Notes, where you save everything worth remembering. It is your digital sanctuary. When you know that every important piece of information is safely stored outside of you, your biological brain can finally relax. It stops looping. It enters a state of digital zen. Here is how to build it in 3 steps. Step 1. Capture. You must have a way to capture ideas the second they happen, with 0 friction. If it takes 5 clicks to write a note, you won't do it. Set up a quick capture inbox on your phone. When an idea strikes, throw it in the inbox. Don't organize it yet. Don't tag it. Just capture it. Close the open loop immediately. Treat your mind like a VIP guest. Don't make it hold its own luggage. Step 2. Organize for action. Most people organize by category, like psychology or marketing. This is a trap. It turns your notes into a graveyard. Instead, organize by project. Step 2. Organize for action. Most people organize by category, like psychology or marketing. This is a trap. It turns your notes into a graveyard. Instead, organize by project. Step 3. Distill. Don't just hoard links. That is digital clutter. When you save something, take 30 seconds to write a summary in your own words. Why did I save this?
This is a gift to your future self. When you open that note in 6 months, you won't have to reread the whole article. You will have the essence. You are building a library of wisdom, not just a warehouse of data.
Building a second brain takes time, but the payoff is freedom. The freedom to forget, the freedom to focus, the freedom to know that your ideas are safe, waiting for you when you are ready to create.